Welcome to the HUD, everyone. I'm Zacharoni, and today I'll be cleaning the red stuff that had been left on the plates. Now, I've been playing games that had been focused on story, so for this one, I'll be looking at a game that is all about gameplay, but still represent this month's theme, and thus, the Dishwasher Vampire Smile is my next leftover. I heard a lot of positive things about this game, especially from GameSpot, and now it's time to see if those opinions were true. Oh, and I just had a cold recently while playing this game, so if I sound a little bit off, then I'm sorry. So with that out of the way, please be seated, and here are the leftovers of the Dishwasher Vampire Smile Part 1. Oh, shall we? The story started 2 years ago, eh? How did it start? Oh, there's my character. Oh, I guess you can't control with the D-pad. I just discovered that the right analog stick and used to dodge. Oh, let's see. Press X to attack, jump, grab. Okay. Who am I attacking? Oops. Ooh. Whoa. Is this game supposed to be difficult or something? Maybe I should check the controls, really. Oh, who's this? Ooh. Okay, what did I just do? Then I woke up. Am I playing as her now? It's like this pain. Yet I'm numbing. The rest was such a blur. Clothes creaked in my blood. I had to escape. I swore away and sailed to the moon. From my window, I saw Earth erupting in flames. Thing happens. Look at me. I'm on the news. I'll die on stage. I would rot in jail. Like the comic book art here, what they're going for. Maybe I should have a look at the options to see the controls right, because, well, surely there's an option to change the dodging mechanic. Oh, I can't pause anything yet. Oh! Oh. Whoop, what's this? Well, I just need to check something. I should check this earlier. Jump. Switch weapons. Strong sword. Switch loadout. Gun and magic. Oh, I can swap the guns out. Oh, oops. Don't know what I did there, but... Oh, stupid me. I must have switched the... What the? Oh. You gotta be joking me. There we go. Sorry about that, folks. Let's just, well, that again. Let's just leave the controls where they are right now. They were transported to a maintenance hospital. Mental hospital, I should say. It's completely mental. Oh, we better get on that wheelchair. Now we're playing as a crippled, I'm guessing. Whoop. Oh boy. Whoa! Give up. That was done there. Never. I guess we have to escape now. Whoa. Bruto. I hope some of you are not screamish after seeing that. Well, this is so far fast. Oh, whoa! Hey, lay off that guy! Come here, you. Nice one. Whoop, whoop. Oh! Well, it is in the October, and I say the tone is just right for this kind of game. Keep moving. Whoa. Okay, everything looks a bit blurry. Is it supposed to be like this? Oh, I can wall run. I don't know what happened there, but I'm sure it was meant to be like that. It's madness out there. You're telling me? Agreed. That's breaking... I'm not sure if that's breaking the fourth wall or anything. Oh boy. What the... I can't read that writing. I can't read that writing what it says. Oh, whoa! What the... Whoa. Oh, I'm not sure what was that. Yeah, we'll find that out later. Oh, a mechanic that allowed me to go through blocked doors. Okay, seriously, is it supposed to be like this? Oh, that wasn't necessary. Now you must die for that. Kind of nice 24 hit combo. Oh my gosh. Ah, nice one. Ah! Well, I feel like a powerhouse in this game. Sweet. Well, there's definitely nothing there for me to go to. So far, I'm making a good impression. Oh boy. The dealer of croaking justice. I hope that's not a... Come on, fall, you big guy. Good one. And you got yourself a nice katana. Now, up. Oops. I wonder if that Gamer Brit chap might have played this game before. Carnage that was. I'm sure he might have played this before. Oh, there it goes again. Is it supposed to be like that? Oh boy. The Warden. Bring it, Baldy. Oops. Oops. Bad timing again. Come on. You can't take much. Oh. Good one. What the? Ah! Not her arm. I think it's time for a good time to get out of here, don't you think? Okay, that's the end of part 1. Check back with me later for part 2 throughout October as I clean up the mess in the dishwasher. And if you like what you see, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. But until then, I'm Zacharoni. Enjoy your pizza, and I'll see you next time.